Replacing the cabin air filter in my Chevy Cobalt SS, and it takes CAF 1797, and this is truly one of the most overlooked maintenance items I found in most vehicles. Whenever I buy a vehicle and then rebuild it, first thing I do before I drive it is replace the cabin air filter. So you pull down the glove box, push two sides of the glove box in, and it pulls right down. All right, there's 3 tabs you pull down to remove the cabin air filter. And what I found is usually these things are never changed, and they're usually very, very disgusting. Wow, that's disgusting. I always use the STP, and it's CAF 1797. Gives you instructions, and this says airflow. So the airflow is from the outside of the car in, so it's going to go down. So it goes straight in like that. This is a one-owner Chevy Cobalt. Before I bought it, I completely suspect that this thing has never been changed. Absolutely disgusting. And that is replacing the cabin air filter in a Chevy Cobalt SS. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.